This is the Nubia RedRagic 7S, and today we're going to demonstrate that you can check your mobile data usage on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch the General Settings app, then enter the Dual Cards and Mobile Networks category at the very top of the page. In here, choose for which SIM card you would like to share the data usage, either SIM1 or SIM2. Then go for the More fields of the respective SIM card. Let me just go with the first one. In here you'll find the dedicated data usage section, and at the following page you'll be able to see this little bar that shows how much of the mobile data you have used at the current period of time. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.